Hey everyone, welcome. I'd like to introduce myself. I'm Kathy Tucker. I work at IBM as a data and AI technical expert. Today, I wanted to talk to you about the revolution happening in the banking industry. Customers today expect fast, personalized services. They want their banking experience to be convenient and efficient, but at the same time, also feel human. IBM's Watsonx can help you develop intelligent AI-powered banking chatbot capable of managing a diverse array of banking tasks, from fund transfer to new account opening, loan application, or answering any general questions. Our advanced chatbot framework offers enterprises the flexibility of selecting the most suitable large language model and cutting-edge AI technologies for their unique business requirements, allowing it to understand the customer's question and also respond to it just like a human. This means faster and more accurate answers for your customers, eliminating the long wait time and frustrating searches. Customers can handle routine tasks like checking balance or transferring the funds, even scheduling an appointments, all within the chatbot. The chatbot can remember the past interactions and personalize the conversation by making it feel more human and relevant. The chatbot can even anticipate your customer's need and suggest helpful next steps like applying for a loan or setting up a saving goal. But the benefits don't stop there. Our chatbot is also easy to implement and manage. No code, low code, so minimizing the need for developers. Proven to improve customer satisfaction, our current clients have seen the significant increase in the positive feedback. So let's take a glimpse of how IBM Watsonx Assistant can help your banking use case. Let's begin. So in this demo, we will focus on the digital customer experience for a customer visiting the lender website, which uses IBM Watsonx Assistant chat. The demo will articulate the art of possible as you watch. So think about how this could be customized for your organization, your use case, and your users. The web chat should be an extension to your brand. And we strongly believe that with a custom theming, you can fine tune the appearance of your web chat to be an integrated part of your website. You can customize the color, the theme, the size, the logo, the height, and even the position of the widget. You can place it on the bottom right corner, top right corner, or wherever you want it to be. We can set a different naming convention for your assistant as well. Now, to begin, I'm going to click on the bottom right corner as it says, open the virtual assistant. Now, as you can see here, it mentions that what are some of the frequently asked questions. Maybe I can go ahead and select one of these. If I want this to be customized, modified, I can do so. Now, here, my first question is going to be based around the clarification. Now, as you can see here, I'm typing a very vague question, loan application. I did not mention what type of loan I want to apply, whether I want to apply, or I'm just looking for an information. So our Watson Assistant can ask and clarify the questions to disambiguate my initial question. It's asking me whether I want to apply for auto loan, home loan, modify the process or application that I have already applied, or none of this above. Now, I don't see a student loan here. So let me go ahead and type it. I'm looking for, just a student loan. Now, again, as you can see, it says that tuitions and other educational expense can be high. So we have partnered with Sally Mae, which is great. You can read out all the information. Am I interested in applying for a student loan? I'll just go ahead and click yes. It's going to ask me for my type of program that I'm applying a loan for. I'm just going to say graduate program. It's going to ask me what state. I'm selecting Washington. And to confirm, yes. Now, you can see that how easy this process made it look, that with certain applications or the action-based intents, I was able to fill out a form right there itself. Now, for the next demo, I'd like to highlight on the search portion. Once an assistant can connect to any search system that you have, we can leverage your website data, knowledge base system, any other files or documents, structured or unstructured, wherever it is, to pull the information that can be ingested within Watson Assistant to find your brand specific details. Now, here I'm going to ask a question about what are some of the account specific promotions that are running for me. It's going to ask me what type of customer am I. I'm just going to select business, and it's identifying based on my user and my background that for me business checking account, $10,000 cash bonus is something it's recommending me. So we can personalize these type of things for every specific users. The next is tell, do, and show. We can use What's an Assistant to help your customer in a way that serve them best. We can tell customers the right answers. We can make certain tasks on behalf of them, or we can show them how to do those tasks on themselves. Now, my first question here to tell and like for showcasing the tell portion is find the nearby lender branch. Now, as you can see, my geolocation is already turned on. So it's identifying the nearest location branch. As you know, lender is not technically any brand or a bank. It's just going to identify the nearest location for IBM for me. We can have an iframe here that shares the exact location in this place. Now, my next question is going to be more focused around doing something for me. So I'm asking, what are some of the credit card options? And it's giving me different widgets, which is very nice way to represent things because we have seen like colorful different ways to represent things makes customer experience more better. It says that lender everyday card, preferred card, topaz card. So these are the three types of card. Maybe I'll just go ahead and do, I want to apply for topaz card. It takes me to the web page where my first name, last name, other area has already been filled in with respect to my database entries. I just have to insert my annual income, which I'm going to do so, which would be 80K, let's say, and just submit the application. And my application is submitted within the few clicks. Now, for the last question, I'm writing here, I don't understand a charge that I saw on an app. I can tell me, so it's answering me that whether I want to dispute the charges and how to do that. So either it can show me how to do that or tell me how to do that. We are going to run through with both these options. Let me first do show me. As soon as I hit show me, it's going to take me to the dispute charges portion. I can say get started. Let's see. So it's taking me to this page. Charges are listed in the transaction. I can go ahead and click on the transaction from the menu. Okay, this is my web page. Let me go ahead and click on the transaction. Oh, I do see all my charges, and I don't remember being to Cafe Tropical. So I'm just going to go ahead and dispute. Again, this is showing me a nice video demonstration. Like if I want to do, I could click on this and see the entire video. Here right now, I'm just done. So dispute filed, done. Now, if I open my chat, I have not lost the entire conversation that I was having within the chat. Now, I'm going to ask again that same question. Let's see what it shows in the tell me portion. Here, it lists down a step-by-step process that I can go visit the transaction page, do this, do that, and just showcasing entire process to me. So here, as you can see, that there are different ways we can make look our conversational AI in a nicer way that can be engaging to our customers with respect to videos, audios, carousels, etc. Watson Assistant can also provide analytics that features the highlight of the success metrics, like how many number of actions was Watson Assistant successfully be able to understand, what was the percentage of the conversational AI flow it recognized accurately, etc. So we know that all these things matter when in terms of analytics to identify where things can be done better and where what all offers can be suggested to some people. I hope this video was useful to you. For this video demo, I have restricted my scope to showcase just few of the many capabilities, which I think suits best for the banking industry. But of course, there is an art of possible, so we can do many, many more things. And here, I would just go ahead and stop sharing. But thank you so much for watching this video.